Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariyea for those of you guys who are new here, and I like to make planning content here on YouTube. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming and clicking on yet another video. Today we have a very exciting video. I purchased a planner from Plum paper and we're going to unbox it and flip through it together. Okay, so I did purchase a new planner from Plum Paper Planners, and I'm so excited, guys. I did open it and take a peek, but just because I was so excited and I couldn't hold myself back, but I made sure to put everything back the way it was, and I just wanted to unbox, well, sort of unbox it, but pretty much still unbox it and flip through it together and just talk about a few reasons why I decided to buy it. So I like that they put the label on the opposite side as to not cover this up, and then for unboxing purposes. I don't know if that's why they did it, but it was nice to see. Alright, so when I opened it, this was the first thing I saw. It's just this little piece of paper, just kind of going over some other things. It's a gorgeous, like, colorway. I love it. But here is the planner, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. And I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so they gave you, you can see I kind of like bent it. This is the cover material. It's just a little sample. So it says it's water resistant, tear proof, and rigid and sturdy. And it really is. Like, I was trying to rip it and I couldn't. It does leave like indents, so I would never fold my cover. But yeah, you definitely cannot rip that. This is super nice. So it's a little, you can win the planner. So they'll refund the price of the planner back to you if you're chosen. They do it once a month, I believe. Yeah, via Instagram. So that's nice. I might do that. But here is the gorgeous planner. So I did get the A5 size, and I did do the daily. So let's open her. Sorry for anyone who does not like the crinkle sound. I personally love it. I think it's so aesthetically pleasing to hear. But yeah, so I did get the daily layout in the A5 size. One thing that I'm just want to quick mention, if you are thinking about getting a Plum paper, you cannot choose the color of your coil like you can with Erin Condren. I love a gold coil, but you just get the option of the standard silver, which isn't that big of a deal, but still just wanted to throw that out there. And then as far as size difference, I honestly thought it would be much, much smaller. It's not that much smaller, like width-wise. There's just like the width of the Erin Condren coil. And then height-wise, I don't know if you can see that difference there. But I feel like the real difference is the page, because their cover does cover the tabs. So I feel like the page is really where you get that A5 difference at. But let's move the life planner out of the way. I just wanted to show that for size differences. So this cover is gorgeous. I love all the pretty colors, and then I decided to put my name on it, and I love the font. I believe, I don't know, I'll leave all the info about the planner down below for like the cover name and the color of the circle and the font that I used. So yeah, they come with this like clear cover over your cover. And then I love this like little chevron, well, it's like almost chevron print that's on here. And I was very interested. I watch Julie Plans on YouTube, and I follow her on Instagram. And I feel like everyone who's ever gotten a Plum paper planner always talks about how smooth the paper is. And I wanted to feel for myself, and it is very smooth. So I definitely get where they're coming from. It's like the Erin Condren, it has more grit to it, and it's a little thicker, but it's very smooth, nice quality paper. So here is the 2021 year at a glance. I did get this for July through December. I just got the 6 months for the end of the year. I just wanted to try something different out before I start my daily Erin Condren planner for next year, because I do plan on getting the A5 Daily Duo. But if I enjoy this planner, who knows, maybe I won't. But I'm almost certain that I will be getting that planner. And currently, if you are new here, I currently use the Erin Condren Petite planner. I don't know, I feel like I've kind of came to, like, I've hit a brick wall with this planner. Like, I'm just not enjoying it as much as I once was. So I wanted to switch it up and try something different. I really wanted to make some plan with me's using the petites, but I kind of just, like I said, hit like a block, and I haven't felt inspired to use it. So I'm hoping this will help, and hopefully I can get some use out of it. I feel like I'm just a Coil planner. Like, I love, and that's another thing. So, not to get on like a huge tangent or anything, but I'm planning on using the agenda for next year. But I feel like I really love my Coil, and that is what I would feel like I would use more of. So I'm hoping, I don't know if anyone else seen in the newsletter how they're coming out with the 7x9 cover, like the agenda cover for the 7x9 life planners. I'm hoping they come out with the A5 as well, and I can get like the coiled A5 Daily Duo and then just use that. But I don't know. I'm so indecisive. I need to watch more videos. But yeah, so moving on with this. This was the year at a glance. And then the next page is special dates, and you have 12 little boxes for each month of the year, as well as an ideas, plans, and goals. So that is super nice. And then this is just a blank sheet of paper before July. And this is like a sturdier material than the paper. And you get this little dashboard page, as well as a full lined note sheet. And then you get the monthly calendar page, and also the month ahead, so that's August. And then it just flips right into the dailies. So I decided to customize mine, and in customizing mine, I decided to leave at each section blank. So that is a customized offer, and it was an additional $4. Also, I did decide to get the modern color scheme. Thanks, Julie Plans, because she was raving about it, and I just decided to get one to try it out. And yeah, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to use this in planning out and mapping my day, but hopefully you will stick around and watch some videos, because I do plan on filming videos using this. But this just kind of is all the days of the month, and then you get a full notes page front and back at the end of every month, and then it goes right back into the next month. and it just repeats the same layout. So yeah, I love the color scheme of the modern. Like this, what is this, like a mint, is so pretty. I love the teal. Then we have the navy, and then Julie, if you watch Julie's plans, she does not like peach, but I love this color. It's very gorgeous. Let's see here. November is this like mustard yellow, which is super pretty. And then December is this gorgeous steel blue. I love this color. I'm a blue person, so that's super pretty. All right, and then just to flip and see what is in the back, we have the notes page for December, and then we have some grid pages. So we have a 1, so we just have 2 dot grid pages, and then we have a little my contacts, as well as a passwords page. And then we have 2022 and a little folder, which is super pretty. So yeah, that was the little walkthrough of the planner. I'm super happy with it. It's great quality. I love the smooth paper. I'm excited to test it out. Hopefully you'll stick around and watch some plan with me's. I definitely want to utilize this planner to the best of my abilities, and I'm hoping it gets me out of my daily planning funk. Plum paper does not only have daily planners either. They have all different layouts, so many to choose from. I'll leave their website linked down below if you're interested. One other like layout that I'm interested in is their vertical priorities. I think I might try that out next. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below if you've tried out a plum paper planner and how you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.